welcome back to Eliza's World. Today we're going to be showing you a few items that we have made over
the last few years.
Yeah, the last few years, and we would like to show you some from this year, some are recent and some are not. And we want to show you guys all about what we made for you to get some ideas.
It's really cheap and easy Halloween crafts that more or less anybody can do. If I can do them, you can do them. The idea is the floating candle from Harry Potter. Most of you have seen this one already. How do you make this, Eliza?
So it's just a toilet roll.
It's an empty kitchen roll or cling film roll. You need something quite sturdy.
And you just put dabs of hot glue around the rim and some spare hot glue. You can make these lines which you hang it on something.
We usually hang them in the window on those suction tags that they sell in Poundland, and it makes it look like the candles are floating in the window.
I really like this.
One of the things that we made last year, if you want to see a video, please let us know, are these wonderful spell books. So these are our spell books, and these are just made with a glue gun and some kitchen roll. If you want to know how we do these, let me know in the comments. This one was made out of a busy book, so at the hollow at the back you could actually put all of your spell potions. We've got some more little bottles there.
Mama,
Yeah.
look, there's a woman side.
That's right, I put that on it. Yeah, and these are just made, believe it or not, from kitchen roll and glue guns and paint. That's all you need, and an old book that we just bought from the charity shop.
And now let's have a look at this. Oh, you designed it. So Mum,
this is a feng shui book, so I thought it looked quite interesting on the inside, and on the outside it's got lots of strange number things and heaven, harmony. So it's got lots of things in there that are quite interesting, and on the outside it looks like a spell book. So you can also make those if you want. Let us know in the comments if you want me to make one of these. And we also made a Monster Book of Monsters Harry Potter. If you want to check that video out, the link is in here.
so guys, we also have these ghost lights. Woo!
Ghost in a jar. We need some more cobwebby stuff.
Look, Mum. Here we go, guys. It's a little ghost. Look.
A little dragonfly ghost.
No, it's a dragon. It's a dragonfly, guys. Right by a ghost.
Right.
A ghost. Guys, comment down below if you believe in ghosts.
Yes, tell us down below if you believe in ghosts and what you're looking forward to for Halloween.
Would you like to dress up as a ghost? I'd love to dress up as a witch.
And there is Eliza's ghost in a jar.
Yes, I love it. Oh, it's adorable. And with this one. And with this one, it has a special light at the top.
They both have got them in?
Really?
They should have. Oh no, this one hasn't anymore.
With on and off, we did try this out and it works. So now we could bring this down our alleyway, going like this. Then we could take it down my alleyway, and Dad could hold. I could hold my bucket, walk down, and say trick or treat.
That's a nice idea, yeah, because you caught your ghosts. And if you don't get a treat, you'll release the ghosts into the house.
Yeah,
but they're quite cute, they are. If you want to know how to make those, you can follow the link in the video.
Yep. Ghosts. I love ghosts. I just noticed my best friend here. So, what do you think of these crafts? Comment down below. And if you like it, give it a big thumbs up. And if you don't like it, still give it a big thumbs up. no matter what, it supports our channel in any way.
Thank
we
you
can
for
get-
supporting the channel. We really appreciate it.
And so we can get feedback of what you don't like and what you want more of in our videos.
That's right. Every interaction that you give us helps, so please keep it coming. We love to hear from you guys.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our lives as well. Bye! Hit that like button in the